Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. Today I'm working on this 2016 Ford Explorer. I'm doing a front BJ on this thing, brake job, you know. Well, let me show you real fast where the proper lifting points are or jacking points are on this vehicle and show you where I put my jack stand to hold the vehicle up. This will be really quick. This should be for most of the modern Ford Explorers, and if this video does help on your vehicle, please comment below and let me know what was the year, make, and model that the vehicle was that this video did help you on. I will show you real fast. It's real easy. The jacking points on this vehicle are right here on the front. This little notch, that's where you're actually going to jack the vehicle up at. And you can see I put the jack stand on the subframe right there to hold the vehicle up while I'm doing my work. And that's it. Real easy. For the back, let's check this out. You're gonna have the same little notches. If I could get you in a good view, you have the same notches right here. That's gonna be your jacking spot. When I put the jack stand under the rear, I am probably going to put the jack stand somewhere on that lower control arm, but I'll show you in just a minute where I actually put it when I jack up the back of the vehicle. Here's where I placed my rear jack stand. You can see right here on the frame, got it right under it in case it falls. It's going to stop right on there. I got my jack holding up the back while I do this rear BJ. Now, if this helped you out, make sure to comment below with the year, make, and model of the vehicle that it did help you on. Don't forget, check out the video library, like, subscribe, share. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies, and I'll see you on the next hopefully helpful video.